Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. So good evening everyone. Yeah, hi Rajkumar. Hi. So those people who are watching this particular lecture, I am going to explain few problems now, right? Mostly in GATE examination you are able to see those kind of questions. I am going to explain now few questions, right? Mostly in GATE examination you are able to see those questions. Can you see the first problem? So this is the first problem. Can you try what is the answer for this? This is the first problem. Can you try what is the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? Can you try this? These kind of questions will come in GATE examination. Verify. So if you can give this kind of, if you can give answer of this problem, mostly you are okay. He is asking the return value of the function is, return value is not asking time complexity. The return value of the function is, some function is unknown, some function is unknown, the return value of the function is, return value of the function is, so those people who want to give answer, please type your answer in the comment section so that I can verify. Please type in the comment section so that I can verify, your answer is right or wrong. Unknown int n, int I comma j comma k is equal to 0 for I is equal to n by 2, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. For j is equal to 2, j less than or equal to n, j is equal to j into 2, k is equal to k plus n by 2. Return k. The return value of the function is, can you try this? Can you try this? Most probably you can expect this kind of question. Most probably. Rajkumar given some answer, let's see. Rajkumar given some answer, let's see. I think if you observe clearly, I is equal to n by 2, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. I think I is equal to n by 2, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If you observe clearly, I value n by 2 plus plus, n by 2 plus 1, I think plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, I think in my opinion, I loop is repeating n by 2 times. In my opinion, I loop is repeating n by 2 times. And if you observe the j loop, j is equal to 2, j less than or equal to n, j is equal to j into 2, I think this is repeating log n time. This is repeating log n time. So k is equal to k plus n by 2. K is equal to k plus n by 2. K is equal to k plus n by 2. Right? So let's check this one. K is equal to k plus n by 2. So one loop is n by 2 times, one more loop is log n time. K is equal to k plus n by 2. So can you help me now? For the k which is initially 0, k is equal to k plus n by 2 means every time he is adding n by 2. Every time he is adding n by 2. So can you help me now? If at all every time if we add n by 2, 2 times n by 2, 3 times n by 2, 4 times n by 2. But if you observe clearly, right, these two are executing log n times. So what is the answer? Log n times. At the end of this one, k value becomes what is the answer? Log n times n by 2. So n by 2 log n. Right? So at the end of this, k value becomes k is equal to n by 2 into n by 2 log n. which will become n square by 4 log n, right, which will become, right, answer is n square log n, n square log n, big O of n square log n, big O of n square log n, because of here options are, right, theta, this is not upper bound, right, is asking theta, answer is option B, answer is option B, check one time, answer is option B, answer is option B, answer is option B. Someone is asking, can you explain how log n, can you explain how log n? So if at all always j multiplied by 2, if at all always j multiplied by 2, right, always divide by 2 or always multiply by 2, log n base 2, always multiply by 3, always divide by 3, log n base 3, always multiply by 10, always divide by 10, log n base 10. So j loop is log n base 2. Right, here if you see the I loop always plus 1, right, n by 2 started plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n by 2. So I loop is n by 2, j loop is log n, right, every time whenever k is going on, k is equal to k plus n by 2, n by 2, n by 2, n by 2 log n time, n by 2 log n, outside n by 2 times n by 2, n by 2 log n, which will goes to n square by 4 log n, which will goes to n square log n. It is a very tricky problem, please check one time. It is a very tricky problem, please check one time. Check anyone having any doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. If it is okay, I can go to next problem. Is Raj Kumar, are you okay? Raj Kumar, please let me know, are you okay? If you are okay, I can go to the next one. Srinivas, are you okay? Srinivas, you are correct. Srinivas, you are correct. Raj Kumar, you are wrong. Please verify. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Raj Kumar, if you have any doubt, let me know. Sir, how time complexity of BFT algorithm is V plus C in adjacency list? Array, in the class I explained again and again, Satyam, in the class I explained again and again, man. I explained almost half an hour I explained. V plus C. How time complexity of BFT algorithm is V plus C in adjacency list. So covering all one time. V vertices, E edges you are covering once. Adjacency matrix also, sorry, BFT also, DFT also, adjacency matrix same time. BFT also, DFT also, adjacency list is same, adjacency matrix is same, because you have to cover the total graph. Graph contain V vertices and E edges. BFT also you have to cover everyone. DFT also you have to cover everyone. When we take log n or n in tree, right, in the tree, right, see, when we take is, it depending upon problem, without knowing the which problem, how can I take log n, how can I take n? right? Which problem it is? See this one, which problem? Here what is the story? I loop is repeating how many time? N by 2. J loop is repeating how many time? Log n time. I loop is n by 2 times, J loop is log n time, right? This is the value, returning value. Those people who are following this class, please let me know what is the time complexity. This problem, what is the time complexity? So value is B, second option. Can you say what is the time complexity? I want answer from you. What is the time complexity? Please let me know what is the time complexity. I want time complexity, not the return value. What will be the time complexity? Check properly. What will be the time complexity? Time complexity means loop is how many time? Time complexity means loop is how many time? If the question is time complexity, what will be the time complexity? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess what will be the time complexity? Yeah, let's see this. Let's see what is the answer for this. I think I loop, if you see n by 2 time, J loop is if you see log n time, right? So time complexity means loop is how many time? Time complexity means loop is how many times? So combinedly these two loops are how many time? N by 2 log n time, which will become n log n. If time complexity answer is going to be n log n. If time complexity answer is n log n. Time complexity answer is n log n, right? Return k value answer is B. Return k value answer is B. Return k value answer is B. Time complexity n log n. Time complexity answer is n log n. So please take care. Time complexity answer is n log n. Yeah, few questions. Ratul, few questions. Few questions only. Right? Ratul, only few questions. Right, fine. Let's go to next. Shivam, thank you so much. It was nice to see you. Right, can you help me know what is the answer of this? Return value of this function is, can you check once? Return value of this function is, Please verify. Return value of this function is Sardak, you can start from second year first sem. Second year first sem you can start. Sardak, you can start second year first sem. Thank you so much. So can you say what is the answer of this? What will be the time complexity? What will be the return value? I want both. What will be the time complexity? What will be the return value? I want both. Time complexity also, return value also. Time complexity also, return value also. I want both the things. What will be the time complexity for this program? What will be the return value? Time complexity, return value, both needed to me. Both needed. Those people who knows answer, please let me know. What will be the time complexity? What will be the value? Return value is one thing. So I need two things from you. Time complexity of this program and return value. Time complexity of this program and return value. Those people who are okay, please give your answer right in the comment section. Please give your answer in the comment section. Please give your answer in the comment section. Please give your answer in the comment section. I want time complexity, I want value also. Let's check once. So first loop is repeating n by 2 times. Second loop is repeating log n time. Time complexity means loop is how many time. Time complexity means loop is how many time. Because of it is the inner loop multiply. N by 2 log n. So finally time complexity big O of n log n. Time complexity big O of n log n. Time complexity big O of n log n. Big O of n log n. So time complexity clear, everyone fine. Time complexity everyone fine. Let's go to return value. See this one. See everyone. K value 1 initially. 1. Right? If at all k value initially 1, first time 1 into n by 2 is n by 2. 1 into n by 2 is n by 2. Next time, right, k value becomes n by 2. N by 2 into n by 2. N by 2 whole square. Next one, n by 2 whole square into n by 2. N by 2 whole cube. I think if you observe clearly, these two combinedly will leads to. What is the answer? If at all k is equal to k into n by 2, if at all 2 times n by 2 whole square, 3 times n by 2 whole cube. If it is log n time, k value becomes n by 2 whole power log n. Check one time. If 2 times, first time is n by 2, second time is n by 2 into n by 2 whole square. If at all log n time, n by 2 whole power log n. N by 2 whole power log n. Next one, n by 2 whole power log n. Next one, what is going on is, right, so this will repeat n by 2 log n times. I think it will goes to k value becomes n by 2 whole power, right, n by 2 log n time. Answer is n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Please verify properly. Please verify. It is a very tricky question, very tricky question. You only say these two loops combinedly 1000 times. Assume these two loops combinedly 1000 times. Otherwise, first loop is 1000 times, second loop is 10 times. First loop is 1000 times, second loop is 10 times. Both the loops combinedly 10,000 times. Both the loops combinedly 10,000 times. So n by 2 whole power 10,000. N by 2 whole power 10,000. First loop is 1000 times, second time is 10 times. So both the loops combinedly 10,000 times. So every time n by 2 into k, n by 2 into k, n by 2 into k. So 10,000 times n by 2, right? So n by 2 whole power 10,000, which will become n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. So the value of this function is going to be, right, n by 2 whole power, right, n by 2 log n. This is for value. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n is for value. N log n is the time complexity. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Check properly. This is going to be very tricky. So answer is, as I given best example also. First loop is 1000 times, second loop is 10 times. Both the loops combinedly 10,000 times. Every time multiply by n by 2. Every time multiply by n by 2. If 2 times, n by 2 whole square. 3 times, n by 2 whole cube. 10,000 times, n by 2 whole power 10,000 times, which is nothing but n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Verify. If anyone is not getting, verify. If anyone is not getting, verify. See this one. See everyone. First time k is equal to, see this one. First time k is equal to 1 into n by 2. Second time into n by 2. Third time into n by 2. Fourth time into n by 2, and so on. N by 2 log n time. What is the answer? I think if at all 4 times, n by 2 whole power 4. If at all 5 times, n by 2 whole power 5. So if it is log n time, n by 2 whole power log n. If it is n by 2, right, n by 2 log n time, n by 2 log n by 2. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. This is the answer for this. It is a very tricky, I know this, it is a very tricky. Many people are not getting. Please take care. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know, I will help you. If you say, sir, I am not getting this, right, I explained already. See this one. K is equal to, k into means k value 1 into n by 2. 1 time this is the story, 2 time this is the story, 3 time this is the story, 4 time this is the story, means n by 2 whole power 4. 5 times this is the story, log n time this is the story, n by 2 log n, n by 2 log n times this one. Check those people who are watching. Let me know your doubts. Let me know your doubts if you have any. Let me know your doubts if any. Rajkumar, are you okay? Satish, are you okay? Srinivas, are you okay? Shivam, time complexity is, let me check. Time complexity is n log n, like previous problem. Time complexity is n log n, like previous problem. Time complexity n log n, but return value differ. Return value is very dangerous value. Return value is very dangerous value. In the power it is increasing. Return value is very dangerous. In the power it is increasing. Rajkumar, are you okay? Shivam is okay. Rajkumar okay. Srinivas okay. Next one. Anyone fine? Please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Check one time. Satish, are you okay? Satish, you given some other answer. I given some other answer. Are you compromised? Are you okay? Satish, are you okay? Satish Bhaiya, are you okay? Arey, where is this Satish man? He written something and he went out. Right, perfect. Can you go to the next problem? Yeah, what is the answer of this? Check. What is the answer of this? It is a really nice problem. This is a very nice problem. I want time complexity also. I want return value also. Please try. I want time complexity also. I want return value also. Please check. Arey, where is Satish yaar? Satish man. Arey Satish, where are you? So can you try this? This is also nice problem. Very less people can give answer. This problem answer given by very less people. This problem answer is given by very less people. This problem answer given by very less people. Let's see how many people will give. I want time complexity also. I want value also. Rajkumar, remember, I want both. Rajkumar. Let's see who will give answer. Return value, I want time complexity also. I want time complexity, I want return value. Shivam, what is your answer? Srinivas, what is your answer? Satish, I want answers from all of you. So you have to identify first loop is how many time. You have to identify second loop is how many time. First loop is how many time. Second loop is how many time. You have to identify. Yeah, let me give answer. For this. Let me give answer for this. But before going to the answer, right, let me say something about Unacademy. Let me say something about Unacademy. In Unacademy, listen, if you are serious about GATE examination, if you are serious about GATE examination, my sincere suggestion, if you are serious about GATE examination, my sincere suggestion is join in Unacademy. 20% off is going on. 20% of offer is going on. 20% of offer is going on. If you are really serious, about GATE examination, 20% off is going on. Please join in Unacademy as soon as possible. Use the referral code ReddySir. Use the referral code ReddySir. And one more thing is algorithm live is going on. And TOC live also going on. Algorithm also live going on. TOC also live going on. Algorithm, TOC. Algorithm and TOC live is going on. You really get lot of advantage. And one more thing is data structure recording already done. I will go for live also. Next one, compiler design recording already done, live also there. Next one, discrete mathematics live also there. Discrete mathematics live also there. Computer network already live is done, right? Recording is there. Discrete mathematics live is there. Computer network recording is there. DS recording live. You can go for recording, you can go for live also. CD you can go for recording, you can go for live also. Right? Presently algorithm live is going on. TOC live also going on. And one more thing is other subjects. So many good faculty are there. These all. One more thing is digital also. Digital also, right? Live going to be happen. Digital also live is going to be happen. Right? So these all subjects already recording is there, live also going to be happen. My sincere suggestion, if you are serious, right? If you are serious, take the subscription today. And one more important thing is 5 months only left out. You have only 5 months time. If you plan properly, every month try to get 15 marks. You have only 5 months time. Every month try to get 15 marks. 15 into 5, you will get the 75 marks. Means top 10 rank you will get if you plan properly. 5 months time you have. Every month try to get 15 marks. 15 into 5, 75 marks. You may be there in top 10 if you plan properly. If you want to get the 15 marks every month, so what you do is in every subject, right? Study important topics. Let us assume that in a month 100 important topics you study. Like time complexity finding, one important topic. Asymptotic notation, one important topics. Like that, in a month try to complete as many important topics as possible. 100 important topics you complete, you will get the 15 marks. Like that, 5 months 500 important topics are there. Instead of going subject wise, please go topic wise. Every subject please go by important topics. Operating system, one important topic. Algorithm, one important topics. Data structure, one important topics. Right? Next one, right? Discrete mathematics, one important topic. Like that, please go important topics. 1 month study as many important topics as possible. Within a month try to get 15 marks. Like that, do 5 months, you will get, right, 75 approximately, which will be there in top 10. So my suggestion, if you want to implement this one, right, join in Unacademy as soon as possible, because you don't have time. Join in Unacademy as soon as possible, you don't have time. And one more thing is you can join Unacademy, right, test series also. You can join Unacademy, right? You can buy Unacademy books also. Unacademy books, Unacademy notes also you can buy. Unacademy test series also you can join. Right, next one. Unacademy test series, Unacademy books also you can buy. So this much cost. Use the referral code ReddySir. You will get the 20% off. See this one, I think printed notes are there, so you will get the 20% off. 20% off. Next one, test series also there. You can go to the test series. GATE exam is less than 6 months away. My suggestion is, right, so join the test series, take the printed notes, go for iconic subscription. because you will get lot of advantages. You will get notes freely, you will get the test series also freely, many advantages. You can see top quality lectures, you can see rank improvement course also there, crash course also there, original course also there, many advantages, infinite advantages. After taking subscription, you will get infinite opportunities to learn. The only thing is spend more time and learn many, so that you will get. Is it fine now? Rajkumar, is it fine? I think now it's fine. Check one time. Yeah, this program time complexity is log n, because first one is taking one time, second one is taking log n time. So both combinedly log n time. So time complexity log n. Let's go to return value, which may be crucial in this problem. Let's go to return value. Let's go to return value, how it is going to be happen. Right? Return value. Let me check return value. I think if you observe first time, see this one. If you observe first time, k value 1 into n by 2. Right? Again into n by 2. Again into n by 2, and so on. How many times? Log n time. How many times? Log n time. Right? It's a log n time. Right? It is repeating log n time. So n by 2 whole power log n. n by 2 whole power log n. So I think if you observe clearly, time complexity is log n, right? I think value, if you see n by 2 whole power log n, power increasing first time, second time, third time, and so on, log n time. Log n times power is increasing. Log n time power increasing. Please take care. Log n time power is increasing. Please take care. So time complexity of this program is log n. Value is n by 2 whole power log n. N by 2 whole power log n. Right? N by 2 whole power log n. Right? Perfect. Let's go to next. Can you help me? What is the answer of this problem? Check. I want from you, what will be the time complexity? What will be the value? What will be the time complexity and what will be the value? What will be the time complexity? What will be the value? Can you check one time? Yeah, can you help me now? Can you help me now? If you observe clearly, this loop is how many time? This loop is how many time? Next one, this loop is how many time? You have to understand carefully. There are three loops are there. There are three loops, right? So two inside loops are not inner loops, one after another. Outer one is inner. Outer one is inner loop, but inside people are not inner, one after another. So can you help me now? Can you help me now? I loop, right? Can you help me now? J loop is how many time? I loop is n time. That's okay. Right? J loop is how many time? Always by 2 log n. Right? N here, so by 2 log n. But here how many times? This is also log n. Listen, this is also log n if at all here n is there. P there, so log p. Log p. But see this one, this loop is log n time means every time p incremented by 1. So p value becomes log n. P value becomes log n. So this will become log n. So I think I loop is n time, j loop is log n time, k loop is log n time. I loop is n time, j loop is log n time, k loop is log n. So if you observe inside people, one loop is log n time, one loop is log n time, bigger one is log n. So bigger one you have to take log n, outside n. So time complexity becomes n log n. Time complexity becomes n log n because you have to take bigger loop. Inside two loops are there. One loop is log n time, one more loop is log n. Log n, log n bigger. So n log n is the time complexity. N log n is the time complexity. Time complexity n log n. Panchal, time complexity is n log n, not n log n. Time complexity is n log n. Time complexity n log n. Time complexity is n log n because two loops are there. One loop is log n, one more loop is log n. Log n bigger, so outside n log n is the time complexity. Let's see the value. Let's see the value. If you want value, return q. So finally what is the answer? Return q is saying. What value is returning? Let's check here. So first time p value becomes log n, q value becomes log n. P value becomes log n, q value becomes log n, right? That is the first time. When you come second time, listen, when you come second time, p value becomes already log n, right? It will become 2 log n. Second time, right? P value becomes 2 log n. Because of one time only initialization. See, initialization one time only. Second time p value becomes 2 log n, right? I think q value becomes already q value becomes log n. Now it became right, k value becomes, right? So let's see this one. I think what will happen is, right, log of 2 log n. Log of 2 log n, which will become log 2 plus log n. I think log n only bigger. I think it will become 2 log n. Next time p value become 3 log n. It will become log of 3 log n, which will become log n. Log n every time, like that n time. It will become n log n. I think right, value is going to be n log n. This is the value n log n, time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n, time complexity n log n, value is n log n. Could you check the right return value of previous problem? Let's go there. Return value of previous problem. Let's check here. See this one. This loop is repeating. These two loops are repeating combinedly log n time. These two loops are repeating combinedly log n time. right? So I think this, if at all n by 2, right, n by 2 one time n by 2, next time n by 2 into n by 2, n by 2 whole square, next time n by 2 whole cube, and so on, n by 2 whole power log n, n by 2 whole power log n. So that is the return value. K value, return value is n by 2 whole power log n. So here return value is n log n. These are very serious one. If anyone is not getting this, if anyone is not getting, these are very complex things. To me they look like easy because many times I done. To me they look like easy because many times I done. When you are going to take the session 65 plus marks in 5 months, 65 plus marks in 5 months, I will plan Ratul, I will plan very soon. I will plan very soon, Ratul. See, if anyone is not getting this, these are very tricky questions, very danger. I done many times, to me so easy. I done many times, to me they are so easy. To me they are so easy. I think some people may be not getting, but they are very difficult questions. Very difficult questions. Srinivas, check properly. Value of time complexity is n log n, value is n log n. Time complexity n log n, value is n log n. Please verify properly. If you want value, I will write. If you want, I will write value one time. See the value. See the value one time. See the value one time. P value initially 0. Q value initially 0. P value 0, Q value 0. Now, whenever I is equal to 1, right, P becomes log n. Q becomes, right? Q becomes, what is the answer? I think log of this, log n. That's okay. Next one, see the next one. I value 2, P value becomes 2 log n. Q value becomes, right? Log n already there, plus log of 2 log n, which will become log n plus, right? Log 2 base 2 is a constant you neglect. Log 2 base 2 is a constant you neglect. It will become log n again. It will become 2 log n. It will become I is equal to 3. So P becomes 3 log n. Right? Q becomes, right, 2 log n already there, plus log of 3 log n. Log 3 base 2 is a constant, again log n. Again it will become 3 log n. 3 log n. So if I continue this one n time, so this Q value becomes n log n. This is the value. This is the value. This is the value. Thank you, Ratul. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. They are very danger. Please take care. They are very danger. Please take care. Almost we done it. Can you try this problem? In front of previous problem, this is very easy. In front of previous problem, this is very easy. Can you say what will be the time complexity? Can you say return value? Can you say what this problem very easy in front of previous problem? Can you check now? Can you check one time? This problem so easy. Can you check? It is a very tricky problem also. It is a very tricky problem. It is a very tricky problem. One of the thing you will see in the right question paper. Guarantee in the question paper you will see one of the problem. They are very danger. They spoiled my life. I think I hope they will save your life. I hope they will save your life. They spoiled my life. I hope they will save your life. It's a very danger, very tricky problem. Can you check? Those people who are watching this, can you try the answer? It's very tricky. Can you handle or not? Let me check. Can you handle or not? Let me check. Yeah, let's see this. Very tricky. This is, see this one. Previously PQ0 here, it is not there here. Now here PQ0, right, inside also PQ0. Every time he is initializing. Can you help me now? I loop is how many time? This is n time. I loop is how many time? N time. Can you help me now? Q loop is how many? Sorry, J loop is how many time? Log n time. K loop is how many time? Log n time. Log n time. If you see the time complexity is same. Time complexity n log n. See, by changing the p value, q value, time complexity will not change. By changing the p value, q value, time complexity will not change. Same time. Time complexity is same, but values will differ. Let's check. Let's check here. PQ is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I less than n plus I, P0, Q0. Right? See this one. See everyone. First time P value becomes log n. Q value becomes log n. Okay, I am happy. When you come to the second round, again P0, Q0, P value again becomes log n. Q value log n only. I think answer is over. Right? I think value become log n. Because return Q, value becomes log n. Time complexity n log n, value becomes log n. Time complexity n log n, value becomes log n. It is a very tricky problem. It is a very tricky problem. Please take care. See this kind of question. See how many questions I said until now, I don't know. How many questions I said till now, I don't know. Let's see. I think here. It is the first problem. I done time complexity also and value also. So every problem is two problems. Here. Right, here also two problems. Right, 2 plus 2, 4 problems. Here also two problems. 2 plus 2, 6. Right, 4 plus 2, 6 problems. Here also two problems. 6 plus 2, 8 problems. Right, next one. Here also two problems. 10 problems. Right, so please careful. Now try what about this? Until now 10 problems I done, including this. Again here also time complexity. Here also return value. Time complexity, return value, including these 12 problems. Can you check now? Including these 12 problems, can you check now? Please verify. Rajkumar, I said to you early morning itself. Rajkumar, I already said to you early morning itself. Please join plus course or iconic course. My suggestion to you is, forget about money. Join plus or iconic. You will get guarantee lot of advantage. Can you check once? What is the answer of this problem? Time complexity how much? Return value how much? Small change I done, please verify. Time complexity how much? Return value how much? Return Q. Return Q. So what is the time complexity? What is the return value? Can you verify? Right, let's see. I think some people are given answer. Let's see here. This is n time. So by changing the p value, q value, you may not get the time complexity changing, but anyhow safe side I will check. Most probably time complexity no change. I will try once. I think I loop is n time, j loop if you see log n time. So p value becomes log n, right? So q value becomes log n. Right, log n, that's okay. That's okay. So when you go to next time, p value again becomes log n, q value becomes again, right? I think it will become one more log n. So it will become 2 log n. It will become 3 log n. It will become 4 log n. Right? It will become 4 log n. Just keep on going. It's keep on going. Every time log n. I think time complexity if you observe n log n. I think no change. If you observe the time complexity, no change. But what about value? So first time if you see the q value first time if you see log n. Second time if you see p value 0, right? P value 0, afterwards p value becomes log n. Again it will become, right? Again it will become log n time. So I think 2 log n, 3 log n, 4 log n. I think it is same thing like previous. N log n. N log n. Verify properly. Time complexity n log n. Return value n log n. Someone is saying why Vishwadeep sir is not taking classes of OS. Please reply. I really don't know. Right? Please you can check one time. Right? I really don't know. You can see his videos mostly. He will always update. In the YouTube, right? YouTubes. Right? Please verify once. Normally he is so active on the YouTube. You can see his lectures. Right? Fine. So I think previous one, this one, as it is same. Right? You can check once. Differ by constant, but both are same. These two are differ by previous one, this one differ by constant, but both are same. Right? I'm thinking that you are absolutely fine. Time complexity and q value of above 3 algorithm. Yes, we are already done. Can you go to this problem? This is the papa of every problem. This problem is the papa of every problem. This problem is papa of every problem. This problem is papa of every problem. In algorithm, this problem is called papa. It is a papa problem. Really, in algorithm, it is the papa problem. Please check. This is killed so many people. This problem killed so many students' life. So many students went for suicide attempt also because of this problem. It killed almost, like in my opinion, it killed half of the people. Half of the people this problem is killed. Can you check once? Can you check once? It is one of the dangerous problem I ever seen. It is one of the dangerous problem I ever seen. Right? Please, can you read the problem first? He cannot give this much bigger problem, he cannot give, but anyhow, it is a combination of so many problems. This problem, if you can handle, I am very sure you are going to get 2 marks. This problem, if you can handle, I am very sure you are going to get 2 marks. Yes, many people went to 10th floor, they jumped also. By seeing this problem, many students went to the 10th floor and they jumped from there. Let's see what is your opinion. Let's see after this problem. Try once. It's a very danger problem. Because of this problem, I spent so many sleepless nights. Because of this problem, I didn't slept many days. Many days I didn't slept. Can you try this? Can you try this? This problem, if you can solve, you will surely get 2 marks. Arey Varun, it is not a joke, man. Varun, it is not a joke. This problem, if you can solve, 2 marks sure. You will easily get the 2 marks. By seeing initial days when I am solving this problem, that time I thought, why I am teaching unnecessarily algorithm? I could not have taught this subject. I thought like this. Initial days when I am solving this problem, initial days, right, 10 years back, I almost dead. This problem, if you can solve, many advantages are going to come. Let's start. It is a combination of 10 problems. I am writing now. It is a combination of 10 problems. It is the combination of almost 10 problems. Combination of almost 10 problems. It is a combination of almost 10 problems. Right? Let's start. I'm starting this, right? Let's write down, see this one. Let's write down in the rows operations, in the columns data structure. Let me write. In the rows operations, columns data structures, let me write. Unsorted array. Unsorted array. Next to unsorted, first one is unsorted, next one min heap. Next one min heap. Next one sorted array. Next one sorted double linked list. Sorted double linked list. Next one, let's go to the rows. Let's go to the rows. I think first operation is going to be root log and find operations. Root log and find operations. First one is root log and find operation. Let me write. Root log and find operations. Next one, root log and delete operations. Root log and delete operations. root log and decrease key operations, root log and decrease key operations. I think that's it, right? Root log and find operation. I think n inset operations also. Let me write n inset operations also. N inset operations also. I think totally 4 operations. Root log and find operation, n inset operations, root log and delete operations, root log and decrease key. I think root log n is 3 times. Root log n 3 times. Yeah, 1 inset operation. Be careful. Be careful, it is a very danger, but from this problem you can learn many things. From this problem you can learn many things. From this problem you can learn many things. Yeah, I am starting, right? Let's start. So those people who are watching this, those people who are watching this problem, those people who are watching this problem, right? Those people who are watching this problem, can you fill every slot? I am giving some time to you. I am giving some time. Can you fill every slot? Can you fill every slot? I will try to fill every slot within few minutes. Can you try from your side? Can you try from your side? This is the one of the complex problem. I want to make sure, right? You will try first, then I will give the answer. You try first. You try first. So can you try to fill one slot? Can you try to fill one slot? Root log and find operation in unsorted array. In unsorted array finding one person log and in unsorted array finding one person n time. Root log and find n into root log n. Because one find is n time, because unsorted array you cannot apply binary search also. So n into root log n. Can you help me now? What about sorted array? Every time you can apply binary search root log n times. What about min heap tree? Min heap tree is meant for minimum element, not for searching. So it is going to be n into root log n. What about sorted double linked list? What about sorted double linked list? Even though it is sorted, you cannot apply binary search because it is a linked list. I think it is going to be n into root log n. Verify properly. Verify properly. Unsorted array, one find operation, unsorted array, you cannot apply binary search also. So what is the answer? N into root log n. Min heap tree is meant for minimum element, not for finding, right? So finding will take n time, n into root log n. Sorted array, you can apply binary search log n, like that root log n time, log n into root log n. Sorted double linked list, because of double linked list, random access is not possible. So you have to search, right? Binary search not there, so only linear search is there. So n into root log n. N into root log n. Fine, that's fine, perfect. Let's go to second row. Delete operation. In the unsorted array, if you want to delete, but let's go to problem once. Some extra information given, because of I read many times, I still remember. Let's see this. See this one. and root log and delete key, right? Delete key operations on the set of data with the key drawn from linear. Right, now see this one, carefully listen this. From here onwards you see, for a delete operation, a pointer is provided to the record that must be deleted. For the decrease key operation also, a pointer is provided to the record that is, right, that has its key decreased. So decrease key operation, delete operation, pointer is provided so that you can go there directly. Right, let's see. If you want to delete, first of all you have to find. If you want to delete, first of all you have to find, but a pointer is already provided, you can go directly. So there is no need to find. Indirectly you want to say no need to find, you can go directly. Okay, you can go directly, you can delete. So because of pointer there, I can go directly, I can delete. Can you say in the unsorted array, you are going to delete some element. Suppose that is an unsorted array, you want to delete this one. So first to find, because of pointer there, I will directly go there. Because of pointer there, I will go directly. So this element I am deleting. So delete, replace by, because of it is an unsorted array, replace this element, whichever you deleted, replace this element by last element. You may say, sir, order is changing. So what? Unsorted. It is already unsorted. There is no problem. It is already unsorted, no problem. So one deletion will take constant time. How many deletions you should do? One deletion will take constant time. How many deletions I should do? Log n times. Root log n into constant. One deletion, one constant. Can you say min heap one deletion is log n, like that root log n into root log n. In the sorted array, careful. This is a very, very interesting one. Please careful. It is a very, very interesting one. Please careful. In the sorted array, deleting element x. First to delete this one. Because of pointer there, delete. You cannot keep the last person directly. So what you have to do is, right, you have to keep, right, after this element, whichever there, keep here. So many shift operations required, because in the sorted array you cannot change whatever way you want. After deletion you should do either left shift or right shift n time, worst case. So what is the answer? n into root log n time. N into root log n time. So because once, right, in sorted array one deletion will take n time. The reason is you have to do either left shift or right shift n time. Right, fine, that's fine. I'm thinking that you are absolutely okay. Right, let's go to next. Sorted double linked list. Careful, it is a very, very interesting one. Sorted double linked list. It is a double linked list. Right, you want to delete this person, delete. Because of it is a sorted one and double linked list also, you no need to do left shift, right shift. So I think he will point to here, there is no problem. I think it will take only constant. It will take only constant time. So what is the answer? Root log n into constant. Check if I am wrong. Second row is tricky. So second row if you observe 1 log n, right, 1. Sorted double linked list. Because a pointer there, directly go. After deleting that one, right, I think you can easily adjust. Let's go to decrease key. One decrease key operation after, right, because of pointer there, directly decrease. After decreasing, it may, because of unsorted, no problem. Root log n into constant. Next one, what about min heap? After decreasing, you have to adjust, which will take log n time. Log n into root log n. Sorted array, after decreasing, it may create some problem. You have to ask the previous person, which will take n time, n into root log n. Next one, what about sorted double linked list? In the sorted double linked list, after decreasing, you have to ask previous people, n into root log n. So I think third row if you observe, right? Third row if you observe 1, right? What is the next one? I think log n. What is the next one? N. What is the next one? N. Third row, fine, that is the perfect. 1 log n, n, yeah, perfect. Let's go to the insertion. Insertion also interesting. Insertion also interesting. You want to insert in the last place happily. So what is the answer now? Constant n. What about min heap insertion? Log n, n times. What about sorted array? After keeping in the last place, you have to adjust n. What about sorted double linked list? After inserting, you have to adjust. So I think if you observe clearly, listen, if you observe clearly, which is the largest one here? N into root log n. Oh, it is only root log n. It is only root log n. It is only n. I think here n into root log n. It is a n into root log n. But if you observe clearly, n into root log n there, n into log n also there, n into log n also there. Here n square there, here n square there. He is asking overall for all these operations, overall which data structure better? This is better. This is better, right? This will take n log n, this will take n square, this will take n square. Unsorted array is better. Because of unsorted, most of the operations will take constant time. Check. Because of unsorted, most of the operations will take constant. Only first operation is costly. Only find operation costly. Remaining all. This operation is so easy. That is the reason this problem is given in one of your previous papers for 2 marks. That is the reason this problem is given. Someone is saying, आप भी सो जाएगा, सो जाए. Kushagra saying that आप भी सो जाए. अरे Kushagra, one kick if I give, you will go to 10th floor. अरे we are seriously learning. He came and he is playing joke. Kushagra, one kick only, you will go to 10th floor. अरे seriously we are discussing how can you play joke like this? How can you play joke like this, man? So to this problem answer is going to be n into root log n. N into root log n. Now come to our problem. Right? What is asking? See, which of the following data structure is the most suited for the algorithm to use if the goal is to achieve the best total asymptotic complexity considering all the operations. What is the answer? Unsorted array. Considering only find, it is the worst one. Remaining things are better. Only find, remaining things are better. If at all only find, I think mini heap also, unsorted array also same. Sorted anyhow you cannot apply binary search. I think only find, sorted array better. Only find sorted array, right? Because of is asking all. Remaining operations, unsorted array is so best. So A is the answer for this. So please take care. It is a really nice problem. Please take care. Can you say what about this problem? Check. Sir, I have completed everything except COOS math. What should be the plan for action of the Yeah, within 1 month. Are Rajkumar, within 1 month complete. Within 1 month. In the September month, complete these 3. In September month, complete these 3. In September month, complete these 3. Yeah, let's see this problem. Let's see this problem. I think some people are given answer. Let's see this. If you observe clearly, he is asking what is the time complexity, right? I is equal to 1, S is equal to 1. When you see first time, S value is 1. When you see first time, S value 1. What is the second time? Second time, S is equal to, first time S value 1. Second time, I plus S is equal to S plus I. Existing S value plus I means 1 plus 2. I value 2. Next time, right? S is less than or equal to N is verified. Means this is 1 plus 2 less than or equal to N verified. First 2, 1 less than or equal to N verified. Second time, 1 plus 2 less than or equal to N verified. Next time, 1 plus 2 plus 3 less than or equal to N verified. Next one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 less than or equal to N verified, and so on, right? So last time if you see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, some K is equal to N. That is the reason I stopped after doing K time, right? This is equal to N. After doing K time, right, S is equal to N. So which is nothing but sum of K natural number K into K plus 1 by 2, it became N. It became asymptotically K square is equal to N. Finally, K will become root N. Asymptotically, K becomes root N. What is the meaning? I think you done K time. Where K is root N. Root N times you done. So the time complexity of this program is going to be big O of root N. Time complexity is big O of root N. Time complexity is big O of root N. Ritesh, how are you? Man? Ritesh, how are you? Without Ritesh, class is so boring. What are you doing nowadays? Arey Ritesh, what are you doing nowadays? I am nowhere, I am seeing you. What exactly going on, man? What exactly? Are you married or what? Arey Ritesh, are you married? I am unable to see you from long time. I thought you married. I'm nowhere I seen. From long time, from 4 or 5 months, I didn't seen you. I thought you were seriously married. So can you try this problem? Can you try this problem? I am preparing for GATE 2023 from today. Okay, all the best. Arey Ritesh, all the best man. You can marry afterwards, first complete syllabus. You can marry afterwards, first complete the syllabus. Arey, what happened to Ritesh? I am really so worried about you. I worried a lot. What happened to this boy? This dangerous boy, what happened? Yeah, it is completed. It's completed. 1 or 2 lecture is pending. 1 or 2 lectures are pending. It's completed. I think if you observe clearly, it is like previous problem only, small variation I done. Let's see. First one, 1 square. First one, if you see 1 square less than or equal to n. Second one, 1 square plus 2 square less than or equal to n. Next one, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square less than or equal to n. Verify properly. Continue like this. If I do k time, it became 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on, k square is equal to n. Finally, sum of k natural number k into k plus 1, 2k plus 1 by 6 is equal to n. Asymptotically, k cube becomes n. Finally, k becomes n power 1 by 3. So, time complexity of this program, big O of n power 1 by 3. Time complexity of this program, big O of n power 1 by 3. I'm watching recording, nowhere you take my name. That's what I'm saying, right? Because that your batch is over, right? Your batch is, I think, right? Your batch is over. In other batch, how can I take your name? I thought you are seriously married and right? You are busy. Why should I disturb you? Why should I disturb you? What can I do? I thought you are seriously married. If you are not, if you are normally married, it's okay. Seriously married, why should I disturb you? Right? Fine. Sir, is the time complexity, sir, is it correct? Yeah, I think you are correct. Right. So this is the answer for this. So can you go to this problem? Can you go to this problem? Not able to wake up early morning, sir. Any tips for these 5 months? Arey, sleep normal, man. 11 o'clock sleep, 5 o'clock woke up. Why tips required? For sleeping also. For woke up also, why is tips required? Don't sleep then. 11 o'clock sleep, 5 o'clock woke up. Now, what is the answer of this problem? There are n unsorted arrays A1 to An. Assume that n is odd. Each of A1 to An contains n distinct elements. There are no common elements between any two arrays. The worst case time complexity of computing the median of the medians of A1, A2 and so on An. Median is nothing but sorted array middle person. Median is nothing but sorted array middle person. So if you observe clearly in this problem, n arrays are there, n unsorted arrays are there. In this problem, n unsorted arrays are there. In this problem, n unsorted arrays are there. N arrays contain, right, n arrays where every one contain n distinct elements. No common elements also there. The worst case time complexity of computing the median of medians of A1 to An. Remember, listen. Remember everyone, A1 is an unsorted array to find out the median n time. A2 is an unsorted array to find out the median n time, and so on. An is an unsorted array to find out the median n time. N. So I think n times n square time complexity already over. You got one median m1, you got one median m2, you got one median m3, and so on. What is the last one? You got one median last element mn. For the first array median is m1, second array median is m2, the last array median is mn, right? Out of these n people, finding median one more n time. Finally I got the overall median. So n square to find out individual median, right? N for to find out the overall median. Finally time complexity n square. This is a very interesting one. Listen, to solve this problem, one note I want to say to you. To solve this problem, one note. See everyone now. To find median of n elements. To find median of n elements. Will take to find median of n elements in unsorted array. Will take to find median of n elements in unsorted array will take order of n time every case. Please remember this algorithm. To find median of n elements in unsorted array will take order of n time every case, right? Because of that reason, yet each and every person, right, first array median n time, second array median n time, last array median n time, so n square time over. Now you got n people median n more time, n square plus n becomes n square. This is a note which you have to take care. So that's what I am saying. This is the algorithm. That algorithm name is called median of 5 algorithm. That algorithm name is called as median of 5 algorithm. It is a famous algorithm, median of 5 algorithm. In unsorted array, you will find out the right median with order of n time. Algorithm name is median of 5 algorithm. Please careful. Let's do this problem also. Can you check once? Yeah, Srinivas is asking how to find out median in n time, right? That is a famous algorithm. Algorithm name also I written, median of 5 algorithm. Google it out, you will get. How to find out median in the array of n elements. Just Google it out, you will get. Let G is equal to V comma E be a weighted undirected graph and T be a minimum spanning tree of G maintained using adjacency list. Suppose a new weighted edge is added to G. The worst case time complexity of determining if T is still in MST of the resultant graph. So, good evening Chirag, good evening. So, what is the answer for this? What you are thinking? How you are going to proceed it? How you are going to proceed this problem? Please let me know. It is one of the nice problem I ever seen. It is one of the nice problem. It is one of the nice problem. How you are going to handle this? Please let me know. How you are going to handle this? Yeah, so let's try this. Let's try this. Very interesting problem. Let's try this. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Let's try this problem. It is a graph. It is a graph. A, B, C, D. So, to this graph they constructed MST. It is a MST. Let us assume that. Let us assume. Let us assume this is the MST. For the given graph they constructed MST. How they constructed we don't know. How they constructed we don't know, but they constructed MST, right? Read the problem. If you want, you can check. We are not bothered at all how they constructed. For the given graph, they constructed already MST, right? Already MST they constructed. Fine. Fine. Now what exactly they are saying is, suppose a new weighted edge UV belongs to V star V is added to the G. One new edge is added. One new edge is added. Yeah, one new edge is added. Let us assume that new edge. Let us assume that, I think because of I covered all. Let me try this. E, one more person. E, one more person. So this is For this one I already created, assume that this is the E. This is the current incident. So for the given graph I constructed MST, I got everything okay. Now see what happened. They added, listen, they added, already they got MST, everything okay for the given graph. So what exactly they done is, they added, everyone listen, they added, careful, they added one more new edge. They added one more new edge. So, right, see this one, the blue color which I written, that is only extra. The blue color edge whatever I written, that is only extra. They added one more new edge. For this new edge, right? So because of this new edge, graph is changed. So for the modified graph, existing MST is the only MST, or because of that modification, will it also affect? We have to verify. Without this, right, listen, without this blue color edge, this is the correct MST. Without this blue color edge, this graph, right, this MST becomes correct. Because of this blue color edge, right, this MST is still same, or we have to update, right? Very simple, listen, very simple. Just add, listen everyone now, because of it is a MST, which is a tree. Because of it is a MST, it is a tree. So what you do is, add this edge also, guarantee loop will come. Add this edge also. In the MST, if you write one more edge, guarantee cycle will come. So what you do is, by adding this edge, guarantee cycle will come. So what you do is, in that cycle, assume that in this cycle, it is already 30, it is already 20, right? So by adding this person, cycle is came, right? This is assumed that 15. Then in that cycle, one person you have to delete, whichever larger you delete. By adding this edge, right? Because in the MST you are adding edge. Cycle will come confirm. Just to find out cycle, in that cycle who are the participants, find out among them larger one you delete. In that cycle whoever participating, find all of them, right? Larger one you delete. So you have to find out cycle, in that larger one you have to delete, which is nothing but finding cycle. You have to apply either BFT or DFT. DFT you can apply to find out cycle. But you are finding cycle in the MST. MST contain V vertices, because of new edge added, V edges also, which will becomes 2V, which will becomes V. So time complexity V. You are checking cycle in the MST. So answer is this. This is also correct. Because, right, this is also, but the thing is, listen, this E is going to be graph edges, so it cannot be. Sorry for that. It cannot be. Because you are not checking the cycle in the graph, you are checking cycle in the MST. It cannot be. Answer is fourth option. It's one of the extraordinary problem. It is one of the extraordinary. Blind thing is compute again. Best thing is don't compute again. Just check, add it, cycle will come. In that cycle, larger one delete. Sahit is saying SAR is getting slim. Are, is it the time for that? Are, Sahit, is it the time for this? Is it the time for this? Are, Srinivas, you got or not? What is the time complexity to find MST of the given directed graph? You can apply minimum cost spanning tree finding, right? Kruskal or Prim's algorithm you can apply, which will goes to E log E. which is going to be E log E, right? E log E, which is going to be E log E. Log E replaced by log E log V also. E log E is the answer, right? If you apply the asymptotic properties, right, log E is a log V also, log V also. So E log E or E log V. So listen everyone now. If you recompute again, then C is the answer. If you recompute, see this one, if you recompute again E log V, I am not recomputing, just I am finding cycle, just to find cycle, just to find out cycle. In that cycle, delete maximum person, cycle finding, cycle deleting maximum. In cycle you are doing in the MST. MST contain only V people, so order of V. Right? Are you getting? You are finding MST, you are finding cycle not in graph. You are finding the cycle not in graph, in MST. In MST. Sir, how to remove self-doubt from us? How to remove self-doubt from us? So whatever doubts are there, Sahit, whatever doubts are there, please keep in one folder. Algorithm doubts, keep in one folder. Data structure doubts, keep in one folder. One day I will ask you, right, anyone having any difficult doubts, please let me know. You all send, right? So afterwards I will take the practice class, right? I will resolve. Afterwards I will take one practice class, I will resolve. What is BFT, what is DFT? Breadth first to traversal, depth first to traversal. Breadth first and depth first. Breadth first and depth first. So all your doubts keep in one folder. Whenever I will say, right, I think in the most probably I will say November month I will say, anyone having any difficult doubts, please send to me. Anyone having any difficult doubt, please send to me. Then you can send, right? I will resolve it. Right? I hope this class is really useful to you. I hope this class is really useful to you. Let's check. Those people who are listening, right? Those people who are listening, 20% off is going on. You can take this one. You will get lot of advantage. Trust me, you will get lot of advantage. Unacademy power you will get to know last 6 months. Unacademy power you will get to know last 6 months. Last 6 months in Unacademy many things going to be happen. Last 6 months in Unacademy many things going to be happen. Lot of practice classes, lot of crash courses, lot of rank improvement courses, very expected questions, many things are there. You feel so bad if you don't take. If you don't take subscription, you feel so bad. My suggestion is use the referral code ReddySir, join as soon as possible. You can go for 6 months or 9 months as you wish. As you wish you can go 6 months or 9 months, you can go ahead. I am thinking that this class is really useful to you, right? Fine. As I mentioned to you, Algo live is going on, TOC live also going on. Algo and TOC live is going on. CN is recently completed, CN, right? Recording is there. CN recently completed, recording is there. You can go for a test series also. So if you take the iconic subscription, test series also free. Next one, printed notes also free. Many advantages. My suggestion, serious, if you are serious, you take. Not serious, don't take. If you are not serious, don't take. Almost like 8 subjects I am handling. You will get lot of advantage. 8 subjects I am handling. You will get lot of advantage. Right? Fine. So hope you got lot of advantage of today's class. So I think Sahit, right, go to the Unacademy, right? If you have Unacademy app, right, In that there is a procedure, right? Please check. Please check. Ask your friends also. Ask your friends, they will help you. Ask your friends, they will help you. Right? Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Any doubts there, let me know. Any small doubt also.